Hey guys, this is Tyler. I'm with Armorgard. I just wanted to highlight our SB38 piano box. A couple key features that make this thing really neat. First off, 4-way fork pockets. We can fork it from the end or from the side. Our box has 14 gauge steel, heavier than any other box in the market. Because it's a heavier box than anyone else in the market, we can put lifting eyes on it as an option. Our fork pockets are already cut with caster holes. Casters are super easy to bolt on. They're just plated on the bottom. One thing you'll notice with our box, when you pull the door down, it doesn't slam shut. You have to help it shut. And then our box doesn't have a lever or a handle or nothing. And all we got to do is pop open the lock and it'll lift right open. There's a punch out up top if you want to run power to it. The tool tray slides back and forth. Flip it over for a nice work platform. And then notice there's no sharp edges on the edge of the box to scrape your hands on as you take your tools in and out of the box. You guys can find them online at acmetools.com.